What's up, everybody? My name is Jason Turley, and today we are back with more Python challenge. In this episode, we're looking at level 2. So getting started, we see that there's a blurry, low-quality image of a book. Can't really make out any of the words, but we can see this caption below. Recognize the characters. Maybe they are in a book, but maybe they are in the page source. So if I want to view the source of the page, I can hit Control and U, and it'll pop up the HTML. Scroll down and you'll see two comments. The first one reads, "Find rare characters in the mess below." And here's the mess. They were not kidding. It's a bunch of just random symbols. Can't really make any sense out of it. And scrolling down, it just goes on and on and on. Right? So we need to find the rare characters. So what does that mean? Something that doesn't occur very frequently. We can see there's a bunch of ampersands, there's a bunch of stars, a bunch of dollar signs. So we want something that doesn't occur that often, right? So how can we do that? I see two things we need to do. First, we need to copy all of this into a script so we can have Python iterate over it. But this is huge. We can see this is, 1,258 lines of text. So instead of just copy pasting, we can use the requests library and just generate a page object and then just look at the text. So let's do that. Go over to our terminal. Call this challenge3.py. Import requests. And I can say, we need that URL. Copy and paste that in. I can say the page equals requests.get URL. And that will give me a web page object. I just want the HTML. So I can say page.text. Let's print this out to test that it works. Python 3 challenge3.py. And we get our output. I can just look at the head and we can see the HTML. So that works. That's awesome. But I just want the mess, right? I just want this right here. I don't want the HTML that's at the beginning. So in order to snip that out, I can use, since it's just a string, I can say HTML.split. My delimiters will be the closing comment and then the opening comment. Print that out, make sure I just get the mess. Boom, and it works. Cool. So next, we want to use the collections library, specifically the counter class, because we want an easy way to count their occurrences. And the counter does that exactly. So I can go back to my script, say from collections import counter. And say counter equals counter mess. Print that out, see what we're working with. Instead of closing it, let's just open up a new tmux window. Python 3. Save it. Oh, I'm not putting out the right thing. Print counter. All right, cool. So we see that for this closing parentheses, there's 6,186 occurrences. For that sign, there's this many, and so on and so forth. And then at the end, we can see these letters, EQUALITY, and they only have one. So these are the things that are more rare. So this is what we're interested in. So we want to filter out anything that has more than one occurrence, right? So I can do that with a for loop. It's just a dictionary. I can iterate over it. So for key in value in counter dot items, you can say if the value is equal to 1, value. If value equals 1, print that key on one line, and then print a new line. So save it, run it, and I get equality, right? Beautiful. Go back here, change OCR to equality. Wait for it to load, and we get level 3, just like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you found a different way to solve this challenge, and see you guys next time.